about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Hakka training on ICRT FM 100 this whole month in the city of Taoyuan. In fact, Longtan is very famous for a dragon boat race that takes place during Dragon Boat Festival. It's called Longtan Dachi. But there's going to be a lot of other things to do around here, and we're going to have Leo introduce that to us. 今天呢，带到大家到龙潭去哦。除了每一年都会举办这个所谓的划龙舟比赛，这附近应该也有一些可以参观的地方吧？等一下 Leo 带我们去喽。1、2、3、4，我们要来划龙舟吗？
今年可能来不及报名了。
哦，对，也是。不过呢，我们今天来到这个龙潭大池啊，除了这个划龙舟比赛，我相信这附近应该还有一些可玩可吃的吧？
当然有哦。先带大家来去看看这个雨贤馆，它是为了纪念客家子弟邓雨贤，表扬他对保存台湾的歌谣文化的一个贡献，尊称他是台湾歌谣之父哦。
好，这一定要去拜访一下。
Joseph， 你喜欢骑脚踏车吗？
当然，我自己有一台啦。
哎呀，那这边有一条环湖的5.2公里的自行车道，可以让你骑个够。
那有什么问题？
骑完自行车肚子饿了，对不对？
当然，
就可以到附近的第一市场去吃道地的客家炊宝，还有扮演，还有米奇木、米苔木，还有很多的手工腌菜，也是可以买回家的哦。再来就要去一个非常有文化气息的地方，那就是全台湾面积最大、规划最完整的100年历史古迹龙潭生祭亭。生祭亭，早期的客家人对这个文字是非常敬重的，所有的字纸必须要送到生祭亭焚烧。
好，有这么多事情要做，要骑脚踏车，要吃东西，又要这个拜访名胜古迹，所以赶紧走吧。
好，来。
Longtan Lake is the yearly venue for dragon boat races, and its lakefront also has the Yuxian building built to commemorate Deng Yuxian's contribution to the preservation of Taiwanese folk music culture. Circling the lake is a scenic bike path of over 5 kilometers to help you work up an appetite for all the delicious local delicacies like Hakka dumpling soup, silver needle noodles, and handmade pickled veggies. And don't forget to visit Shenzhi Ting, the largest pavilion in Taiwan, where the Hakka honor the written word.
All right, let's teach you some Hakka vocabulary right now. Leo, 我们来教大家一些客语单字喽。
没问题啊。
包括我们刚刚要骑脚踏车嘛，对不对？自行车。
吃行茶。
吃行茶 ，that's a bicycle. 然后我最喜欢的客家菜包。
炊宝。
炊宝 ，OK, that's a veggie bun. Go have it, and that does for today's Hakka training on ICRT.
什么太嘎？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.